Hi, my name is Shamiso, also known as Bright Eyes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make the clap fans using heat transfer vinyl and using just fabric. This fabric is 60% polyester and 40% cotton. So you can see that I made this fan. Get a close look. Yes, I will show you the process of how I made this fan with my Silhouette machine. All right, see you soon. Okay, so now you're seeing me using my Silhouette to do heat transfer vinyl. What is nice about the Silhouette, you can make small, intricate, tiny little designs like I'm doing for this project to do the heat transfer vinyl. Okay, so after I'm finished making the vinyl, I'm just gonna peel away at the heat transfer vinyl. It's really simple and easy. That's all you have to do. And after I finish peeling away from the vinyl, I'm just gonna cut it so I'll be able to line it up on the wood. Okay, so here I'm using some red holographic vinyl, and I did run out of the red vinyl. That's why I'm doing it. And I want to see if there's any difference. But there's really not much of a difference in terms of comparison. Okay, so after I peel it off, I'm going to apply it to the wood now. So I'm just going to cut it in strips and use my small heat press to put it on the wood. It is faster if you could use a larger heat press, but I'm using a small vinyl because it's also hard for me to line it up and to get it perfect. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm getting all the wood together. And I'm going to use my rivet to put the wood together. And I was saying before that it's easier if I do it on the floor than on the table. So, because I don't have enough strength in my hands to get it to stick together, the ribs. Okay, so now that I did the ribs together, I am taking this pattern to make the fan. If you want a copy of this pattern, right now I do sell it on my Etsy store, and eventually I will also put it on my website. And right now in this video, I decided to sublimate the leaf on the fabric, and I will tell you later why. Okay, I just want to show y'all some samples I made to do the flag. This was my first one, and I made it too big. I picked the wrong pattern because I have small to extra large, and I didn't know that I used the wrong pattern for this one because I already cut small to extra large already, so I picked the large one by mistake. But I realized even though I embroidery this, like to fold it, you know, you see how thick it is here. So I realized that may not work. Okay, so I was like, okay, maybe an applique might be better. That's what I was thinking. So I got this one. I made this one, and I made it. This is the right size for it, as you can see. That I need. This is like the 11-inch one, and I made a mistake. I placed it too low instead of in the center, so I made a mistake. But this is even more stiff than this one, and I wasn't trying to make it stiff, you know. So this is not as stiff like this one is. So I was like, you know what? It's better not to embroidery on it unless you do like small designs, like really small ones. So what I did, I get a photo and I sublimated. This is 60. This is all the same fabric. They're all the same as this one. This is 60% polyester and 40% cotton. Okay, so once I'm finished sublimating the fabric, I'm just taking my pinky shears and cutting off all the raw ends so the fabric won't fray. Okay, so at this part, I'm just doing a quick edge stitch all around because I don't want it too bulky for the fan to close or to open. Okay, so if you made it this far, that means you probably watched the video to the end. So let's see if it could clap. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna clap. Yep, it does clap. I also want to say, because the last video I did with the trolls, I had to glue it. This one I did not glue. I used a different double tape. And this double tape works really well with fabric. It's this double tape. I bought it from Amazon. I would like to see how it would work with cotton, but this fabric, I think this double tape is made for fabric. It didn't give me an issue with this one. It was able to hold it pretty well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say about the fans. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.